Hello, welcome back to my channel Text Automation. In your previous tutorial, we practiced using a TOF timer with a physical push button and a green light, but there need to hold the button down the entire time for the timer to reach its goal. Today we are going to show you by using internal memory bits to create latch. By adding latch and unlatch logic, you only need to press button once and the timer will keep counting automatically. After that, we will learn about TOF timer with practical example. So let's dive into the microwin software and see how it done. If you are new to seeing this video, please subscribe to my channel and like this video to share your friends. Alright, let's open the microwin software to head over the program block. In network 1, we'll start by adding our input bit I0.0. From there, we'll add a coil and assign it to a Siemens internal memory bit M0 AM0.0. Right below that, in the same network, let's drop in a normally open contact. The address will be AM0.0. To create our latch, we will draw our line to connect its sealing the circuit. Now moving on the network 2, we'll take the same internal bit M0.0 as a normally open contact. To add the timer, let's look at the dialog box on the left, find the T1 instruction, double click it, and it drops right into the network just like in our previous video. With address this as T37 and set the preset value to 50. Okay. In network 3, we'll add a normally open contact for T37 and connect it to our motor output Q0.0. Since we have already added the latch in the network 1, we now need to way to unlatch it. So we add a normally closed contact, that is I0.1. So our program is now completed. So let's compile for check any error. Notice it, there is no error. So let's download the program into the PLC. Go to download. Alright, okay. PLC run mode and go to online. Okay, PLC now online mode. Over on the physical PLC, remember that we'll need to wire up a stop button to input I0.1 to handle that unlatched signal. Let's click I0.0 on time. After 5 seconds, the light is on, means motor on. So if you want to stop motor or unless, click I0.1 push button. You check, immediately motor is off. Again, we click I0.0 and timer start counting. After 5 seconds, Q0 is 1. So this is our pretty simple project. So let's go now with explain how to use TOF timer and exercise. For TOF timer, now go to offline mode program and let's delete the TON timer. And go to dialog box. Please check here TOF. Double click here and take in the network. Address will be P37 and preset value 50. Now let's download the program into the PLC. Go to download. Okay. Run mode. Download completed. Now go to online. Compare and continue. Okay, now program is online mode. So when we press I0.0, the M0 internal bit will be energized. At the same time, the Q0.0 will go on, and when we press I0.1, the timer start counting automatically. After 5 seconds, Q0.0 will be off. So let's check in the PLC. When I press I0.0, the motor on. So when I press I0.1 push button, after 5 seconds, the motor will be off. Again, we press start push button, motor on. So when I press I0.1, after 5 seconds, we check timer start counting and motor will be off. Next video we will dive deeper into on delay timer logic with more hands-on example. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you so much for watching this video.